Hello guys, today we will see how to delete a node in a linked list. Here I took list as a parameter and then key. Here key refers to the node which I want to delete. So I'm just referring it as 3 here. So we will see how to delete a node. So first of all, this is the linked list I'm having. Yeah. So this is the linked list I'm having. So how can I delete? See here I want to delete 3. So if I want to delete 3, so I need two things. We know that in linked list we can traverse only from head. So here what is the head? 1 is the head for the first time. Okay. So 1 is the head for the first time. So what I have to do is I have to traverse from 1 and then it will go to. So I have to check like when it starts from 1, I have to check like 1 and the key is equal or not. It is not equal. So I'm going to 2. 2 and 3 is equal. No, it is not equal. And then I'm going to 3. Yeah, it is equal. Then what I have to do is I have to make this 2's next pointer to 4. I will show it again. If it is equal, I'm just making 2's next pointer to 4. Okay. So now we will see how to do this one in code. Okay. So in linked list, we already know that we can traverse only from head. Okay. So so I need a head node. So I'm just making it as temp. Okay. I'm just making it as temp. I'm assigning the head node to temp. And then what is next one? So here the another important thing is I have to know what is previous node. I should know what is a previous node. I have to keep track of previous node. For the first time, I don't know what is the previous node. So I'm just making it as null. So first condition we have to check is what if the head node is equal to the key? What if the head node is equal to the key? What it means? So if suppose head node is 1 and the node which I want to delete is also 1. Just repeating it again. Head is 1 in the linked list. Head node is 1 and the node which I want to delete is also 1. So what I have to do in this case? So I have to check the condition first. So I have to check it like first thing is if the head is not equal to null. So why I am telling head? Because I am assigning this temp as head. Head only I am naming it as temp. So hereafter I will just tell temp. Okay, not head. The first thing is I have to check the particular node temp is not equal to null, and the second condition is which I want to check is if the data is equal to the key or not. Is equal to the key or not. If it is equal. So what this condition means is if head is equal to key means I want to delete 1 and the head 1 equal to 1. That is the case. So head equal to the key which I want to delete. If it is true, then what I have to make is I have to make the next node as head. So here I have to make 2 as the head. So already 1 is head. If the 1 is equal to the node which I want to delete, then I have to make 2 as a head. How can I make 2 as a head? I'm just writing it here. So I am making temp dot next as head, and I'm just returning it. I'm just return nothing because I don't want to traverse other nodes, because if the head is equal, then there is no need for me to traverse other nodes in the linked list. So I'm just making temp dot next as head, and I'm just returning it. So here what happens, I'm getting the result as 2 3 and then 4. So here I'm including 3 also. Okay, because till now I didn't deleted it. So I deleted 1. So if the head is equal to the node which I want to delete. So second condition is if head is not equal to the key, then what I have to do? I have to traverse the other nodes. I have to traverse to the other nodes and check if it is equal to the node which I want to delete or not. So how can I do that? So I have to use a loop. So I have to see the remaining nodes. I have to use the loop. So here I am using while loop. Why I am not using for loop? Because I don't know what is the length of the linked list. Okay. So simply I am using a while loop. So here I have to again check it like temp not equal to null, because the node which I want to see should not be null. And then I'm just checking it like is not equal to the key. Why I'm checking like this? temp dot data not equal to key. So here it will check like, okay, I'm coming to 1. So here I want to delete 3 here. Okay, I want to delete 3 here. It will come. So it will come from head node. It will check, okay, 1 is equal. No, it is not equal. Then 2 is equal. No, it is not equal. Then 3 is equal. When 3 is equal, it won't even go inside here. That's why we are making this condition. Okay, temp dot data not equal to key, which means that when it become equal, then it won't go inside the loop, it just exits the loop. That's why we are doing it here. So here I already told we need a previous node, so we have to keep track of previous node. How can I keep track of previous node? I'm just making temp as previous. And what is temp? Then I'm making temp as temp dot next. Okay, I will show you how it will work. So first it will come. So first it will come from head node. So what is temp? Temp is 1. So it will make previous as 1, and then previous as 1, and then temp as 2. In the next iteration it will come, it will make previous as 2, and then temp as 3. And then again it will come to the loop, and then it checks temp is what? 3. And the key which I want to delete is 3. So it won't go inside and it will exit the loop. Then what we have to do? We know what is previous. So we have to make the 2's next as 4. So here I have to make, I will show you again. Here I have to make 2's next as 4 because I want to delete 3. So how can I make that one? I'm just making previous dot next equal to temp dot next. Here what will happen? 1, 2. So what is previous? Previous is 2. What is temp? Temp is 3. I am making previous dot next equal to temp dot next, means it makes 4 as the next one. Just repeat it again. The previous node is 2 and the temp node is 3. I am making previous next, means 2's next as temp dot next. Temp is 3. 3's next is 4. So I am making 2's next as 4. Here I have to check one more condition. What if the node is not even found? Which means that I am giving 5. So if suppose I am giving 5 as the input, I have to delete a node 5. But in this linked list 5 is not even there. Then what will happen? It will come to 1 and then it will go to 2 and then it will go to 3 and then it will go to 4 and then it will go to null. So when it comes to null, what it means? It means that the node is not found in this list. So how can I check this one is, I have to check like if the temp is equal to null, then I should not do anything. I have to simply return. Means that it won't, it will just return. It's like a break. So it will just return. It won't even go to the next line. Okay. Commenting this one. I'm commenting this one also. So I'm just give you your overall. So I want to delete a node where the node is given. Okay, where the node is given. I'm just taking the head node as temp and the previous, I don't know, for the first time I'm taking it as null. So two conditions we have to check. First condition is, what if the head is the node which I want to delete? For example, I want to delete 1, so which is head in this linked list. Then what I have to do? I have to make 2 as a head. So I'm just making temp dot next as head. What is temp? Temp is 1. 1 next is 2. I'm making 2 as the head. So I will get the output like this one. Second condition is, if it is not equal to head, then what I have to do? I have to search the remaining nodes if it is equal or not. So what I have to do? I have to do a while loop. So I'm just checking like if temp is not equal to null, which means that the node is not null and it has to traverse till it is equal. Means it has to come from 1, 2, 3. So in previous I am having 2 and the current node is temp, I am having 3. Okay, in the current node temp, I am having 3. So here what I am doing is, if that node which I want to delete is not even in the linked list, then it will goes to null. So temp is null. Then I have to simply return. If it is not null, then what I have to do is I have to do previous next equal to temp.next. What it means, here previous is 2 and then temp is 3. 3's next is 4. I am making previous next equal to temp next, which means that I am making 2's next as 4. This is how it will execute. So I will just print it also. Here is the delete one. Here is the delete one. So I will show you how to print it. Okay. So I'm just inserting a node here. If you see here, I already did insertion at tail, and then okay, I'm just inserting 4 also. Okay, the same example which we took, inserting till 4, and then what I'm doing is, so I will show you the one, the elements, right? The run Java application. Yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now what I have to delete? I want to delete 3. So I'm just calling this function list.delete node of list comma I want to delete 3. I want to delete 3. So how it will work? I will just see. See, 3 got deleted. 1, 2, and then 4. Okay. If I want to delete 1, then I have to make 2 as a head. I will just do it. Yeah. Here you are seeing 1 got deleted, 2, 3, and 4. So this is how it will works. So in the next video, we will see how to delete a node where the position is given. Here we got the node. We know which node we want to delete. In the next example, we will see position. Position means 0, 1, 2. So I have to delete a node at the second position, like that. So how to do that, we will see in next video.